What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. So we are going to continue from where we left off yesterday in the continuation of possibly bottoming out. And this would be a really good sign, and hopefully that is what happened with a lot of these cryptocurrencies as we have been consolidating over the past couple of hours and days, to be honest with you. Now, we left off watching these charts, and we're starting to see a lot of technical indicators kind of come to completion, or at least the bare minimum retest major supports or major resistances over the past couple of days. You can see clearly here, we've discovered bull flag formations, we've discovered, ascending broadening wedges, another bull flag, and even a symmetrical triangle forming on, I think it was Solana's 4-hour charts here. Now, it goes beyond that. We have a lot of technical indicators to pay attention to. There's a much larger bull flag formation forming on Solana's 4-hour and daily charts. We have a very large bull flag you can see here, but then even closer, as we zoomed in, we noticed there's some sort of symmetrical triangle. Now, these could break down. There's actually more percentage leading towards a breakdown than a break up, because how we enter is typically how we exit here. So this is something that we're going to have to, dive into and pay a little more attention to later on in today's video. But we're also going to be looking at XRP, which very likely could have just bottomed off. As we are retesting bottom support here, there's a very high chance we could start to swing and reverse to the upside, which would be very exciting. So keep your eyes on that. This is a bull flag. They typically break bullish. We've said this time and time again. There's a good chance that that's what's going to happen here, is we could rebound off here quite nicely. We're also going to look at Ethereum, which is in an ascending broadening wedge. It almost looks like an uptrend right now. We're holding on for dear life. You can see this kind of pattern that's forming here. We could break bullish out of this too, but again, remember, we fell into this. Typically how we enter is how we exit. So again, lots of things to cover into today's episode. Bitcoin has this kind of bull flag as well, this descending wedge. This could break up. These typically pop up, so I'd be excited to see the results of Bitcoin. And then we have the stock market to look at, which is continuing to scale lower and lower, which in my opinion is actually healthy and much needed for us to continue to move to the upside here. So more than likely what we could see is just a continuation down. I've shown you where my buy-in limits are, where I plan to buy back into the stock market, dollar cost averaging to the downside if it ever happens. If not, so be it here. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited too. That being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, for those that don't know, BYDFI is doing a really cool giveaway here for the new year. BYDFI is doing trade for a chance to win quite a few cool items. And if you guys are interested in this, make sure to check it out with the link down in the description below. It's pinned at the top of the description here, but this is a way to earn AirPods, iPads, iPhones, and some other very cool things. And all you got to do is trade, and that pretty much enters you into the competition here. So more information will be linked down in the description below. Make sure to check that out ASAP. But moving forward from BYDFI here, I want to show you some of the other interesting fractals and formations that we're currently dealing with. As you can see on XRP, bull flag formation here. For those that are new, let's pull up what a bull flag in crypto looks like. As you can see, it's typically this kind of flag pull followed by a flag down and a breakout to the upside. It's pretty much guaranteed at this point here. It's textbook bullish. Another bull flag pattern here, impulsive wave up, flag, corrective wave down, new flag up. So how we enter is how we exit. Same exact thing, pull, flag, continuation. That's what we're looking for. Consolidation allows us to build pressure, and then we pop to the upside. That is, without a doubt, exactly what is forming on XRP. Extremely obvious, beautiful flag pull up, lower high, lower low, filling in this gap. What we're looking for is a breach to the upside here. That's what we're anticipating, waiting for, and paying attention to here. So clear continuation, consolidation pattern. Flag pull, the impulsive wave up, consolidation. We're looking for an impulsive wave up again. Now, we were waiting for the points to complete itself. We can see here on XRP, we've now had 5 points of Elliott wave confirmation. I'm going to delete that for right now. But what we now see is that we're continuing this pattern here. And at any point now, it's simply coming to when are we going to break? Are we going to break up or down? And how we would react with this and use this is, hey, pay attention to how we form with these supports. We have a beautiful support and a beautiful resistance. So how we react with these two will really tell us what to do. You can see in the past here, we have yet to break below here. We've only wicked. Same thing with the top. So we've confirmed with multiple points of confirmation that these are solid supports and resistances. So what we're waiting for with XRP, and this could, who knows how long this could scale out, but at this point now moving forward, we have completed the necessary history for us to see that movement. So if we can confirm we rally up to here, you can trade inside of this. Good chance we're going to rebound up right now. More risky, obviously, but for those conservative, we need to close a daily candle above that for us to long this. We close below here, we'll buy in and we'll short this. Again, close a daily candle above either of these positions. That'll give us that opportunity to take advantage of the market here. So I'm excited for this because it is bound to happen. It's just when. And that's most likely going to be in the new year, as I've been saying every video for the past like 2 or 3 weeks since we've been forming this new technical indicator. We knew that that run was over. And as I said, and I'll say it again, there's a small chance we could see a second rally, less aggressive, less FOMO than the first one. And then we're going to experience that correction. So we're going to experience a correction regardless of how the markets move. It's just, are we going to have a little pump again and then fall, or are we just going to fall? That's truly what I'm after. I think we're leaning more towards one more run to the upside, and then that dump to the downside is what I think would happen. Now, for those that haven't already, definitely make sure to check out BYDFI, link down in the description below. BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, market orders, stop limit orders, take profits, stop losses, reduce only, trailing stop losses. The list goes on and on and on. Bitcoin, XRP, all the altcoins and major blue chip cryptos you could ever ask for. Best part, they have a demo trading account right here. I'm going to pull it up. And they even have a reward center. So what does that mean for you? That means that once you sign up, head right over to the reward center, claim the hot rewards. You can claim exclusive rewards here, daily rewards that reset every day that you can then cash in for more bonus USDT. And then they even have a new user reward for everyone that decides to sign up. $100 in guaranteed USDT rewards, completely easy, completely free. Make sure to take advantage of that. Because a little goes a long way. 100 with leverage is like, what, 2,000, which is a lot of money. Yeah, 20x or 20x leverage on $100 is a decent amount. Let me just pull this up here. And then we have 8K in free bonus crypto that you can take advantage of too, with deposits and trading opportunities that you can capitalize on, which is also very cool. If you ask me, more information linked down in the description below. But aside from that, they then have a demo trading account. So what does that mean? Once you get your bonus money, head on over to the demo account, practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange. Once you've learned enough, head on over to the live trading account by clicking this, and then you can use your bonus money to trade, and anything earned off that bonus money, you can withdraw completely free. Check it out right here. Bonus wallet trading profits can be withdrawn. That's cool if you ask me. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. Anywho, moving forward and past XRP's bull flag, we have another one forming on Solana. Very large daily bull flag. Right here, beautiful uptrend, big rally up, followed by correction to the downside here. Beautiful symmetrical triangle, rebounding, retesting moving average here. I mean, this is hit or miss, anything can happen, but I'm paying more attention to the symmetrical triangle here. We're rejecting off resistance, but all we need is to confirm closure above this major yellow resistance here, and then I would very likely expect to see a rally. But we have a downtrend, a price ceiling, and moving average acting as a lot of downwards pressure, so there's always that chance we could stumble lower. But again, for those that want to play conservative, wait to see how we react with this. We're heading higher, that's a good sign. We just need to close above that, because if we don't, we're going to correct to the downside here. So just keep your eyes open. Things look very nice. It's nice to see technical indicators and not just be all over the place here. Same thing with Ethereum. If I zoom in on this, you can see clear as day here. Beautiful symmetrical or ascending triangle, something. I don't know how we enter is how we exit. So keep that in mind that we could break down. Would be unfortunate, but it's something you guys have to pay attention to here. But again, when you look at like Ethereum on the daily, we have moving average as support. So we could easily reverse rebound off that. So everything is up for debate right now and up for grabs. So we need to consolidate and see some closure with confidence to really judge where we're going to be going to. Good chance, I'm leaning more towards today, moving forward the rest of the week, a rebound. I think we've consolidated over the past couple of days enough to where we have room now to rebound. I think Bitcoin's looking to rebound. I think Ethereum's looking to rebound. I think XRP is looking to rally up. Same thing with Solana too. So I'm excited across the board. Hopefully you guys are too. S&P has the potential to head up. It definitely does. It has in the past. We haven't made it all the way to the downside before doing that. You can see once, twice. Wouldn't be surprised if we see it a third time here, but there's also room to head lower. So it's hit or miss. Doesn't really matter, but plenty. If the markets start moving, stock market has the room now to head up much higher and be at all-time highs. Otherwise, the more we consolidate, I think the better off we'll be. But that is it for today's episode. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.